Hey guys, it's Sean. Today we're going to talk about all the add-ons and finishing options you can add to your garments when ordering custom apparel. What are add-ons and finishing options? These are all the options you can add to your garments after being embellished. You can add neck tags, woven labels, hang tags, folding, bagging options, as well as SKU and size stickers that you can add onto your garments after they're being embellished. These options add a very great value to your brand and brings it to another level. If you're a starting brand, you may want to look at all those options to see what fits your market and what's beneficial for you to order when ordering custom blanks. What are hem tags? Hem tags are often seen on beanies, bottom of shirts, the cuff, on the sleeves. These are great options to add an extra value to your shirt. So you're going to see them at the bottom of the sleeve being sewn probably 1 inch or 2 inches from the side seam of your shirt, or on the cuff, or most often on beanies and caps. Next up, we're going to talk about neck tags. Neck tags are great to add your own brand onto your garment, your blank garments you're going to buy. So instead of having that gilded neck tag, you can tear that tag away and add your own brand into that shirt. You see those on most major brands, Nike, Under Armour, sportswear. They're all going to have printed neck tags. The great benefit is that you're not going to feel the tag in your shirts, and your clients are not going to remove their tags because it's itching them or it's annoying whenever they're going to wear the garments. So your brand's always going to be there and visual on their shirt. If they don't know where they ordered that shirt or what size they order, it's all going to be there in their garment as long as they keep that shirt. There's two options for neck tags. You can have them heat transfer neck tags, or a little bit more pricier, but you have a really nice definition, or you can have screen printed neck tags. Screen printed neck tags, you can't go and print screen print neck tags onto fleece garment. You're not going to have a very detailed image, and you're not going to see those wash and care instructions like you have on heat transfer neck tag labels. So if you're going on fleece garments, think about that extra charge you're going to have to pay. It's about a 50 cents to 75 cents per tag extra if you're printing on fleece. Now, the other option we're going to have is hang tags. Hang tags are great if you're actually selling garments in a retail store and you want to have your pricing and all your instructions on your shirt. You're often going to see them under the left sleeve, right at the bottom of the sewing line of the shirt. And those are great to add more definition about your product, why you made that product, pricing, as well as the name for your product. The fourth option is, well, the fourth and fifth option are going to be folding and bagging. You don't need to bag if you're folding, but it's a great option to add both at the same time. It's not a very expensive thing to do, and adds that retail finish to your garment, especially if you're selling it to retailers that want to have it in their store. You're making sure all of your garments are going to be clean when they arrive. There's no going to be errors with shipping or simply dropping a shirt on the ground whenever they're putting it in the retail store. So folding and bagging is a great option if you're a brand selling to retail. It's also a great option if you're selling and shipping to your clients, still making sure your garments are going to arrive without any damage or stains on the shirt. The sixth and last option is going to be size and SKU stickers that you can add either on your garments before they're being bagged, or directly on the bag. If you're selling those and having those being sent to retail stores, they want to be able to scan your SKU and barcodes to add them to their inventory. So these are all great things that you can add to your brand to make sure your brand stands out from everybody else. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out and we'll be more than happy to help. Have a great day, guys.